Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold4 for about a month now, and I just want to give everyone an update. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Today's video, yes, I just want to give an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Z Fold4, what I'm liking about it, what I'm not liking about it, and do I have any major updates since my last video that I did about the device. Now, it came out on September 26th, but I got mine actually a week earlier, so it's just a little bit over a month now. And there's some things I like about it, some things I wish they would change. So let's get into it. The first thing that I'm gonna discuss is this under camera display. I don't know if we need a cutout. I don't know if we need just to eliminate it and come back to it when the technology's there. That under display camera is not where it should be at. Maybe just get rid of it. You know, we have one camera here, and then we have 3 cameras there. So, but I know a lot of people complain about it, so I don't know, maybe they should just get rid of it, work on the technology, and then once it's better, bring it back. So that's just a minor thing, just to start off. One other thing I noticed too, and I don't know if it's my eyes playing tricks on me or just because I've been folding the phone, it just seems like the crease is getting a little bit more noticeable, especially when you hit the right light. Now right here, you don't see it too much as far as the camera, but I can tell it's there. And I've been noticing that lately. It just seems like, I don't know if it's getting more pronounced. I don't know if it's just me picking on it and not using it or focusing on it a little bit more. But it seems like the more I use it, the more the notch is noticeable. If you have the Z Fold4, let me know what you think about it. Maybe it's just me focusing on it. I just happen to notice a little bit more than normal right now. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's getting bigger, but it just seems like it's more noticeable. And the last thing I want to bring up, and I harped on this before, is just that outer display. Again, I wish it was just a little bit wider. It is wider than last year. They took away some of the, bezel on this side. They made it a little bit shorter and a little bit wider, but if they could do it a little bit more, that would just improve it. Do you get used to it? Yes, you really do. And also add pen support to the outer display. That would be another great feature to have on there. I think that's where they dropped the ball. This is the 4th generation of this phone. So just add pen support, listen to the folks out there, and just make this, where you can write on it, make it a little bit bigger. And I think they will have a winner. Besides that, there's not much to complain about the phone. I mean, yes, is it a big phone? Yes, it is a massive phone. I mean, look at that screen. It is a big phone. It is a thick phone, as you can tell there. Does it have a hinge? Yes. Is it, not as durable as other phones? Yes. But overall, yeah, those are the major complaints I have. I'm noticing the crease a little bit more. The front display are some of the major problems. And that front, the camera, is some of the things issues. Now, when you look at this display, 120 hertz refresh rate, 7.6 inch screen. You have the pen support, which I never talked in my other videos about. This makes this a game changer. I like using the pen. As you can tell right there, it's there, bam. I've been using the pen a little bit more to draw on this and take notes. So the pen support is great on here, which I haven't brought up before. Watching YouTube videos with the speaker. Shout out to my man, RP3 Tech Reviews. Let's watch his latest video. Y'all can hear it.
Give me a pre-order way faster than Apple or some other retailers could. So I went ahead and got it in, put my order in, and now I have it here. and I'm ready to do the unboxing. you know, it's pretty much a standard bare bone unboxing like you've seen.
You can do
So
a flex mode if you wanted to.
But I'm just going through the whole process just to get this on record on my channel that I did.
So if you want to do flex mode, you can definitely do flex mode.
Bare bones, narrow, beautiful color.
But the speaker sounds great. You can watch YouTube, Netflix, and everything else on there. Another thing, if y'all not subscribed to Team 100 members, RP3 Tech Reviews, Android Stud, Phone Tech at Work, BG Tech Life, The Tech Gentleman, make sure you go follow them, subscribe to them, and follow them out on their social media. Shout out to Rob, RP3 Tech Reviews, for dropping his 14 Pro Max unboxing. He got it from T-Mobile. Look. Ooh, got the same phone. Hey, great minds think alike, I can say. But this display is great. The speakers are great. Playing games on here is great. The cameras are great too. Doing video on here, shooting photos are great. Now, the photos pixel quality, no. But the photos are the video is very close to the S22 Ultra camera. I shot that, and a lot of people picked the Fold 4 cameras over the Ultra. Or at least said they looked the same, they couldn't tell. So they made a major upgrade with the cameras on there. Also, the other upgrade, which I discussed in the other videos, is the hinge itself. It just seems a little bit more sturdier. It's just a lot harder. I won't say harder, just a lot, it takes a little bit more strength to open it up. Even though I can see the hinge now. Maybe that's why I can see the crease a little bit more. Not the hinge, the crease. Hopefully I didn't say that in the beginning of the video, which I did in one time. So the crease, like I said, is noticeable. But the cameras on here, the rear cameras are great. This front camera can shoot 4K at 60, so that front camera is not bad at all. Also, the software update on here, Android L. Let me show this. I showed this off in videos before, but yeah, Facebook. If I just want to open up, say, Twitter, what I can do is go here. I can go to Twitter real quick, maybe. Actually, I did that wrong. And then if I want to bring Facebook up, now I'm in dual mode. If I want to bring something else up, I can bring that up. If I want to bring my settings down here. So multitasking, Android 12L has brought this up a net level. Using this as an everyday phone, making phone calls, speaker calls, even doing team calls with this notch, it works great. People didn't really complain about, watching me on like a Microsoft Teams or even a Zoom call that I had. Nobody really complained about it. It works great as a phone. If you have the phone, let me know what y'all think about it. I do this in every video, but let me know what y'all think. Do y'all agree or disagree with what I have been saying for the month now? Overall, I am glad I picked this phone up when I did. The price is still a good price as far as if you can get some deals on it. Would I pay $1,800? No, I will not. But a couple of y'all did, and I'm impressed with that. And y'all said why y'all paid the $1,800. So hey, if you have the money, you want to spend it, you don't like deals, go for it. But overall, I'm enjoying this phone. It is going to be hard not to pick this phone as the phone of the year. I still have a couple more, the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel 7 to review. I might be getting a Motorola phone soon, and who knows what else is going to come out between now and December. But this phone is up there with phone of the year, at least for me. No, not the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. No, this is a good phone though. iOS is a little bit shaky sometimes and everything, but this is a good phone. Cameras are really good on here. But so far, the Galaxy Z Fold4 is in running for phone of the year for sure. If you agree with that statement, let me know in the comments. Even if you don't agree, let me know. If you like this video, this update, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Also, remember, check out my playlist for any other videos. I think I made about 20 different videos, including case videos on this channel. So check out the playlist. Until next time, y'all. Peace. I'm out.